Alright guys, this video is for all those in Uganda and all those in Ghana. You can actually make payments with your direct debit card, or you make payments with mobile money, any mobile money at all. You can make payments with it via this link that we just sent to you in the group. Please watch this video from beginning to end so you know exactly how to make the payment without having any challenge. We sent two links in the group. One is for Uganda and the other is for Ghana students. Okay, so all you just need to do is, if you're in Uganda, click on any of the link, click on the Ugandan link. For you to know the one that's the Ugandan link, just click on this. You are going to see Ghana students up here. So this link is for Ghana students. So only Ghana students should make payments with this link. If you're a Uganda student, you kindly go back and pay with the other link, that is the Ugandan link. The Ghana students, you just put in your name. Let me just show you a demo. Richard, last name Joy. I'm just putting a demo, then put in an email address, any email address. Then you put in your phone number. Very, very, very important. You don't need to put in the amount. The amount is fixed, 20 Ghana cedis. Okay. Now this amount carries the equivalent of the certificate fee in naira, including the charges that will be charged for making this transaction. So if you check online, there must be a little difference in the price, but your certification fee for Ghana students is 20 Ghana cedis. So after doing that, you just click on pay and you are good to go. The same thing also applies for Ugandan students. Okay, so over here you can put in your card details if you want to use your card details and the rest of them. But if you want to pay with your mobile money, look at down here, you will see change payment method. They will ask you, how would you like to pay? There you can now see pay with mobile money here. The second to the last option here. Click on pay with mobile money and guys, you are good to go. Choose the network you want to pay with, MTN, Airtel and Vodafone. After choosing the network, put in your phone number and that is all. You receive a link. You'll be redirected to a link directly where you would get the login details to the class. So making payments is not difficult at all. Just follow this simple process and you will get direct access to the class. All right, the email you are putting in here should be an email you can access immediately, because it is that email we would send your login details to. Very, very easy. Okay, let me just do the same process for Uganda students so you see exactly how easy this is. Okay, so click on this link, the Ugandan link. You are going to see Uganda students here also. Now the first name, you put in the first name, the same process. Just put in your name. Okay, then you put in your email address. Okay, after putting your email address, you put in your Ugandan phone number, as the case may be. As you can see here, the price is fixed. The equivalent for your certificate is 12,000 Ugandan shillings, including the little charge that will be charged for this transaction. You get my point? After that, you click on pay. So after clicking on pay, you get direct access as to whether you want to use the Ugandan mobile money to pay for this or not. You can put in your card here, or come down here also to click on change payment method. How would you like to pay? Play with mobile money and you're good to go. Put in the mobile money number and guys, you are good to go to making your payments. Very, very easy. So immediately you make your payments, we are actually going to get the email that you have made your payments. I will send you a direct link to the class via your email address. So just make sure your email address is correct. Thank you so much guys. I appreciate you watching this video. Make your payments now so you can get access to the rest part of the class. I'll see you in class tomorrow.